Hi and welcome back to my channel. So here I have took very hard roll from foil, kitchen foil roll it was. So this cardboard, as you know, they are always very hard, like pipe type. So then I took empty cotton bud box to use it for the bottom. Here I have made the hole in cotton bud box to put the pipe through this so it can hold it properly from the bottom also. Then I will stick it with the hot glue from the sides to secure it. Then here I have took black cement with some water, of course, and I will put this fabric into this to make it wet properly from all sides. And then I will put it over the pipe or the rolled cardboard piece, and then I will start to give it the style by fixing from all sides, and I will leave it to dry almost completely. Here I have cardboard piece. As you can see, the cardboard roll was empty from inside, so I was afraid that if I work on top of this it will go inside, so I will put this cardboard piece on top of the roll to secure it to work properly on top of the board, top of the roll I mean. And here I have took the foil as it is, as I have been doing in my previous videos, to make the figure, to make the body shape for the doll or fairy or angel, whatever you want to call it. And I will start to give it the shape. Then I will stick it with the hot glue on top of this cardboard piece to stick it. And then I have made the head and neck as well with the foil. This time I made together. Instead of making the neck separate and head separate, I have give it the shape properly like head and neck. And then I will stick it here. So here I have the broken hangers hooks, which I will use for the back of her, this back of the fairy, to make the wings for her back. So I will take the masking tape, I will keep it beside me, so once I stick these hooks on the back side of her, so I can quickly use the tape to stick it on the same place like this. And then I will start to cover all the foil part with the masking tape or the paper tape. Here I'm using the clay, air dry clay, and this time I'm not making the face again. For me it's much more beautiful and artistic if I don't make the faces for the dolls or fairies or the angels. So this time also I just wrap the clay around the foil instead of making the face shape, but if you want you can make, obviously. Then here I have rolled the air dry clay, make a thin layer to make the hairs for this one. So first I will apply some glue on top of her head, then I will start to make hairs, and you can design or style the hairs whatever of your choice. Well, here it's looking nice even in this style, but I didn't notice while working. Even this style of hair was looking quite beautiful, but I didn't notice and I didn't check after filming this clip. So I started to add more hairs and more clay, air dry clay on her hairs. Here I have gray acrylic paint, dark gray color. I have mixed the black and white acrylic paints together, and I will color her top part to make her blouse. Here, first I was thinking to leave it white, but then I decided to change the color. But it's your choice, you can leave the colors of your choice, of course. Then here I have plaster of Paris. I have added water in it. Then I will add black acrylic paint and some white. It was not important to add the white, it's already white, but I did it. So next step, I will add the fabric in it. One is the lace fabric to make her wings, so I will cover it completely with this mixture. And then here I will start to stick the wings. I will start to put them on top of these hooks I have stick on her back. So it was little bit moving because obviously the fabric was the lace was wet. It was a little bit difficult to work here, but you have to manage it. While it's bending here, I quickly decided to put the other wing as well so it will balance. So yeah, here like this I was working. Here you can see I decided to add some more hairs, and then I will make the hairs length little bit bigger from the front side as well on her shoulder side. Here on the shoulder side I will add uh, some more glue on shoulder, then I will start to stick the clay to make the hairs coming from one side in front. Then here I have golden acrylic paint, which I will start to highlight her wings. If you want, you can leave the wings white as well, white with white lace fabric. For me, because I love to make them antique and antique style decoration pieces, so I mostly color them instead of leaving the fabric soft as it is in the real, instead of putting it in cement or those things. But you can do whatever you want. And some more highlights with golden paint on the bottom of the wings as well. And then here I will color her face and hairs as well with same acrylic paint, golden. Here I have black acrylic paint with some glue in it to color the top blouse part again, so I can stick some black glitter on this part to make it a little bit glowing. Here you can see it's black glitter. I was not having the fabric in black shiny thing, so I decided to use the glitter on this part. Here you cannot see it properly, maybe because of lighting, but at the end of the video you can see it clearly. And here for her dress I'm using silver acrylic paint to highlight her dress. Then I will keep adding some more multicolor glitter as well. Here you can see I have added glue and little bit water in multicolor glitter. It was a powder form, so I added glue and water to make it little bit liquid like glue type, glitter glue type. So this I will use for her dress from the bottom to highlight and to make it glowing. And here we are done. I hope you can see it clearly, the highlights, the glitter, the shine in her dress and wings and hairs, because in real it is looking beautiful. And I hope you like the tutorial. Stay tuned, keep watching, keep subscribing, and I will see you in next video. Thanks for watching and bye for now.